Good day everyone. So today we will be learning about productivity software applications, tools for teaching and learning. So specifically, we will be learning about Microsoft Word. So I am Justin Simon Biberbo and I will be the reporter of week 10, which is the Microsoft Word. So productivity software applications and tools plays a crucial role in enhancing teaching and learning experiences by streamlining tasks, improving organization, and fostering collaboration. These tools are designed to help educators manage their workloads more efficiently, create engaging content, assess student progress, and facilitate communication. Likewise, students can use productivity software to enhance their learning process, collaborate with peers, and manage their academic responsibilities effectively. So now, we will dive into Microsoft Word. So what is Microsoft Word? So who among you here knows what is Microsoft Word? So Microsoft Word is a widely used word processing software developed by Microsoft. It is part of the Microsoft Office suite of productivity applications, and it is known for its versatility, user-friendly interface, and extensive features. So we all know about Microsoft Word because it is very common to us, especially we are students. So we're using it now, like in our research. So we tend to edit, do encode, and then we produce documents and hard copies. So it is very important to us. Next is muna siya ang Microsoft Word. So now let's delve into key features of Microsoft Word. So number one is the word processing. Word processing. Microsoft Word is primarily used for word processing tasks such as creating, editing, formatting, and printing text-based documents. It offers a wide range of formatting options, font styles, sizes, colors, and alignment tools to make documents visually appealing and professional. So, word processing in Microsoft Word refers to the act of creating, editing, formatting, and printing text-based documents. Like, for example, typing and editing text, you can input and revise text easily. Then, formatting, change font style, size or colors, alignments, and spacing to improve appearance. Another one is inserting elements. Add pictures, tables, charts, shapes, headers, footers, page numbers, and more. So you will see above, you will see on the top of the Microsoft Word layout. Next is the saving and printing. Store documents for later use or print them directly. So next key features is the document creation. Users can create various types of documents using Microsoft Word, including letters, memos, reports, resumes, newsletters, brochures, flyers, and more. The software provides templates and design elements to help users get started quickly. For example, opening a new file, start with a blank document, or use pre-designed template. Inputting content, type your text, example, title, paragraphs, or headings. Applying formatting, customize fonts, colors, alignments, spacing, and styles to make the document visually appealing. Inserting elements, add tables, images, charts, hyperlinks, page number, headers, and footers. Then saving the document, store your work as a docs file or export it as a PDF. It's your choice already. So if you convert it, so you convert. Then naming and organizing files, save with a clear file name and location for easy access. And printing or sharing, output the document physically or share it digitally via email or cloud storage. So in essence, document creation in Microsoft Word is the complete process of building a usable and presentable document from start to finish. Next key feature is editing and reviewing. Microsoft Word includes powerful editing and reviewing tools such as spell check, grammar check, word count, track changes, comments, and revision history. These features facilitate collaboration and ensure accuracy in documents. Editing includes correcting spelling and grammar, using built-in tools, formatting text, inserting or updating, using find and replace to quickly change repeated words or phrases. Then reviewing includes track changes, comments, compare documents, accepting or rejecting changes, lets you manage suggestions made by others. Together, editing and reviewing ensure the document is accurate, professional, and ready for final use. Next one is formatting and layout. Users can customize the layout and format of their documents using features like headers and footers, page margins, page orientation, line spacing, indents, bullets, and numbering, tables, borders, and shading. For example, font size, color, emphasize important words, text alignment, left, center, right, or justified. So, makita niyo siya sa top of the word when you tend to, or when you edit when you tend to edit a file. Then bullets and numbering organizes lists, styles, and headings, applies consistent formatting to titles and sections. Then sa layout is makita mo ang margin, orientation, page size, columns, page breaks and section breaks, header and footer. So formatting and layout help improve the readability and professionalism of a document. So let's proceed to another key features of Microsoft Word, which is the integration with other Office apps. Microsoft Word seamlessly integrates with other Microsoft Office applications such as Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and OneNote. This integration allows users to easily insert and edit content from these apps into Word documents. Here are common types of integration. First is the Excel. So embed or link spreadsheet, charts, and tables directly into your Word document. Next is the PowerPoint. Insert slides or content from presentation. So common kasi ito so especially sa itong report para mapadali siya if nana kay document daan, so i-copy and paste lang nimo siya papadulong sa PowerPoint, so dali na lang imuhan, it makes your work easier. Then Outlook, share documents via email or open Word attachments from your inbox. Next is OneNote, transfer notes or link to sections of your digital notebook. The benefits of integration is to streamline workflow, easier collaboration, time-saving tools, and centralized access to data across apps. So these are the benefits of integration of Word document. So next is templates and themes. So Word offers a wide range of templates and themes for different types of documents, making it easy for users to create professional looking materials without starting from scratch. A template is a pre-designed document with built-in formatting, layout, and placeholder content. You can simply replace the placeholder with your own text. A theme is a set of coordinated design helps elements like colors, fonts, and effects that apply to the entire document for a unified look. Theme elements include like font styles, effects like shadows or reflections. The benefits of this is that it gives documents a clean, polished, and consistent appearance. Can be applied across multiple documents to maintain branding or style. Next is collaboration and sharing. Microsoft Word supports real-time collaboration and sharing features through OneDrive or SharePoint. Multiple users can work on the same document simultaneously, track changes, and leave comments, enhancing teamwork and productivity. So, unsay benefits aning collaboration and sharing? So, it faster teamwork, easy feedback and revision, saves time compared to emailing files back and forth. So, sa Microsoft Word, pwede po ka maka-collaborate or maka-share. So, through OneDrive lang nimo or SharePoint. So, dali ra kay siya. Next is compatibility and accessibility. Word documents are compatible with various file formats such as Docs, PDF, RTF, TXT, and more. The software also includes accessibility features like screen reading, voice dictation, alternative text for images to ensure inclusivity. So, napo di siya mga mga features para ma-inclusive. So, kinsa mo gamit so maka-access ra siya. So for the compatibility refers to how well a Word document works across different versions of Word or with other word processing programs. Like compatibility mode opens documents created in older versions of Word and limits certain features to maintain formatting. File formats, Word supports multiple file types like Docs, Doc, PDF, and RTF. Convert document, so lets you update an older file to the latest Word format for full features use. Why it matters? So it ensures others can open, read, and edit your document without issues no matter what software version they're using. For the accessibility, it ensures that documents are readable and usable by people with disabilities, such as visual impairments. Tools and features, accessibility checker, scans that document and gives suggestions to improve accessibility. Example, missing alt text for images. Alt text describes images for screen reader users. Heading styles, it helps screen readers navigate through the content easily. High contrast themes improves visibility for users with low vision. Next is the keyboard navigation, allows full use of Word features without a mouse. So it makes your documents inclusive and compliant with accessibility standards. So the next key features of Microsoft Word is automation and macros. Automation and macros. It advanced users can take advantage of Word's automation features and macros to automate repetitive tasks, create custom commands, and streamline workflows, saving time and effort. Automation in Word means using built-in or custom tools to speed up tasks like formatting, generating tables of contents, inserting standard text, or applying styles. Examples, autocorrect. Di ba pag mo input ka sa Microsoft Word is mag-autocorrect siya sa iyang grammar, sa iyang spelling, di ba? Makita mo na siya dito, mag-red or mag-blue ba siya. So, i-click lang to nimo, then nakabutan to add to dictionary or mag-offer siya kanang correct spelling or grammar. So, it automatically fixes spelling or formative as you type. Then, quick parse saves reusable text blocks like signatures or headers. Mail merge automates creating personalized letters, labels, or emails. For the macros, a macros is a recorded sequence of commands and actions that can be run later to repeat those steps automatically. How it works: you record a macro while performing a task. Example, formatting text a certain way. Word saves those actions as a small program. You can run the macro anytime to repeat those actions instantly. Benefits: saves time on routine tasks, reduces errors, increases consistency across documents. Now let's move on to the last key features of Microsoft Word, which is the cloud integration. With Microsoft Cloud services like OneDrive and Microsoft 365, users can access their Word documents from any device with an internet connection, ensuring flexibility and mobility. Saving to the cloud, you can save your documents directly to OneDrive or SharePoint, making them accessible from any device like laptop, table, or cell phone with internet access. Real-time collaboration. Multiple users can work on the same document at the same time. Changes made by each user are displayed live with each user's edit shows in a different color. Version history. Cloud storage automatically keeps track of document versions. You can review or restore previous versions of your document if needed. Next is access anywhere. As long as you're signed into your Microsoft account, you can open and edit documents from any device, even without the Word app. So through the browser version of Word. Sharing information. Easily share documents by sending a link to others. You can choose whether they can view, comment, or edit the document. Last is automatic saving. Changes are saved automatically to save the cloud, reducing the risk of losing work if your device crashes if you forget to save manually. So, nindot ang Microsoft Word, no? So, overall, Microsoft Word is a versatile and powerful tool for creating, editing, formatting, and collaborating on documents, making it a valuable asset for individuals, students, professionals, businesses, and organizations across various industries. So, whatever you work, you nakas, so ang Microsoft is magamit nimo ko in print editing, formatting your data, so magamit mo siya. So that's all. Thank you very much for listening.